What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing an update on BABA ticker. And on today's video, first of all, I will show you where we are on the price chart and how we get there. Then we'll continue with the fundamental news that might drive the price of entire markets and of BABA higher. And at the end of this video, I will share my thoughts and my technical analysis, and I will show you what should we expect next. And before we get into all of that, if you guys would like to earn 2 free stocks with Moomoo valued up to $7,000, please check out that link in the description below. All you have to do is sign up for an account and deposit as little as $1. This is guaranteed free money. Full details you can see on the screen right now. So let's start with the price chart. I made my previous video right here at this point and I've told you that we have to have not only higher lows but also higher highs. And right here we had from the beginning of December we had consistently higher lows, and for now we have even much stronger trend to have higher lows, but instead of having higher highs we have again some consolidation phase, and I will show you that in general it is a very bullish pattern, and in my technical analysis I will show you what should we expect next. But for now let's continue with the major news. And definitely for now the major news is right here. We are on Yahoo Finance and this article was published on February 16th and it's titled "Stock Market News Live Updates. Stocks rally after Russia reports pullback of military troops." And let me quote you this. Wall Street main benchmark rallied on Tuesday as investors went a potential de-escalation of geopolitical tensions between Russia and Ukraine. Following news, some Russian military units will start returning to their permanent bases after completing drills near the Ukrainian border. And because of this news, we have all of the indexes in green. We have 1.58% increase for S&P 500, 1.22% increase for Dow Jones, 2.53% increase for Nasdaq, and 2.76% for Russell 2000. And even crude oil also increased its price for about 0.5%. So, and what does it mean for Alibaba stock? Let me show you that we don't have major news for Alibaba. We have just some estimations, and all of the investors are awaiting for the FQ3 2022 earnings report that will be on Friday 24th. And definitely all of the investors will pay closer attention to this report. And right here we have the article that is titled "Alibaba, be patient, it's still not time to buy." And this article was published by GR Research, was made by GR Research and was published on Seeking Alpha platform. And they reiterate their hold rating on BABA, and they set their price target, let me show it to you, on $140, and even this low, as they wrote, the most pessimistic price target for BABA, representing a 14.5% of potential upside. And let me show you other forecasts. We have 23 ratings according to TipRanks. 20 of them suggest to buy, 3 to hold, and 0 to sell. And the lowest price target is $140. As I already mentioned just a couple of seconds ago. Average price target is $188.79 and the highest price target is $250. And this asset has about 50% of upside potential to these average estimations. And I have to say that a lot of analysts have much more bullish view on this stock. And let me show you another article. And this article was published on February 13 and it's titled "Alibaba, the time to buy is now." And let me quote you this. Alibaba's China consumer base of 950 million users is one of the largest and most valuable assets the company can continue to leverage on. Alibaba's next phase of growth in international e-commerce is able to leverage on its replicable e-commerce strategy, strong brand and logistics capabilities. Alibaba Cloud will continue to be a market leader in a fast-growing industry, gaining economies of scale and improving profitability. Alibaba is reinvesting into key strategic business areas and continues to acquire businesses that add value to existing businesses or create new business opportunities. Based on my SOTP valuation below, I derived a target price of $182, implying an upside potential of 49%. And I have to say that, in my opinion, we have to wait their earnings report, and this earnings report, the main part of this earnings report will be not only their existing numbers, but their forecast and their guidance for upcoming quarters. And definitely, in my opinion, Alibaba Cloud will be the main catalyst, main potential catalyst. And depending on Alibaba Cloud results, we will have the total sentiment for this company for upcoming months. And I have to say that, as you might notice, we have some kind of relief from Chinese Communist Party that doesn't do any new restrictions for these type of companies. And definitely Alibaba might reach its bottom for now, at least its local bottom for the upcoming year. So, and let me show you the institutional investors list, and we have to be very cautious when we take a look on these numbers. Because let me show you this example. On February 15th, we have this filing that shows us that this company, TT International Asset Management Ltd, has about $56 billion in this company as an investment. And let me show you that the value, reported value, is in thousands. This means it should be $56 billion. But if we will take a look on the number of shares, it is only 471,000 shares, a little bit more than this number. And definitely, it is not the 56 billion shares, it is 56 million shares. But nevertheless, they have an increase in this position by 13.49%. And this increase represents about $7 million that were invested in this asset at the end of 2021. And definitely we have more and more institutional owners who tries to cautiously open new position or who tries to increase their existing position in this company. And definitely it is a rather good sign. But all in all, on this chart you can see that we still have lower interest from institutional investors to this asset. And definitely this chart is not so bullish for BABA, but all in all, I think this company might have a very good portion of your attention as a part of your investment portfolio. So, and let's continue with the technical analysis, but before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, first of all, let me show you that we have these higher lows, and we have basically the same tops of this movement. And let me mark it like this. We have some kind of resistance at this range and the support at this range, as you can see. And this is a ascending triangle that usually breaks to the upside, because the psychology behind this price action is that bulls try to push the asset up, but bears hold this line and they try to push this asset down. And as you can see, bulls have more and more power. They push the asset higher and higher. And usually when we are nearing this apex, the squeeze happens to the upside, and definitely it is a more bullish pattern than bearish one, but we have to be very cautious. So what should you do if you want to invest in this asset? First of all, you have to do your own due diligence, and if you want to invest in this asset, you can accumulate your position on every daily red candle, and this will give you the most attractive average price. And for now, I think for the swing traders, we also have a decent setup, and this setup is following. You can add your position right here, and your stop loss might be, depending on your risk tolerance, at every, let me show it to you, at each and every previous swing low. First swing low is very tight, it is not more than 4.5%. Next one about 8.9%, and the lowest one is about 12%. So the downside potential is crystal clear, and the upside potential, for now we have only this range that we should break in order to establish higher highs on a slightly greater scale, and it is a 10% of upside potential. And if you want to catch only this range, it doesn't worth your attention, because risk to reward ratio is not so favorable to this level, and that's why we can aim to previous swing high, and let me show you that it is right here at the price point of $182.59, and it is the average price from this range. As you can see, we have almost the same price range from TPrank's forecast, and that's why the upside potential is 46%. And with these stop losses, you have very good risk to reward ratio to catch this next movement to the upside. So I think from the technical standpoint that's it for now. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell, and see you guys and girls next time. Bye!